Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the e-classes of St. Joseph's Academy for class 5, subject English Grammar, lesson 25, the preposition presented by Durga Thapa. So, my dear students, let's begin with our today's topic, that is lesson number 25, prepositions, part 1. In this lesson, we are going to study what is preposition and what are the common relations expressed by prepositions. Okay? To understand the preposition, let's read the following sentences. You can look at this picture. The pen is on the table. The pen is kept on the table. Sentence number 2 is the cat is under the table. So here in this picture you can see the pen is on the table and the cat is under the table. Now students, in these sentences the pen is on the table and the next sentence the cat is under the table. That means in these sentences the word on and under tell us the relation between the pen or cat and the table. That means it is telling the relation between the pen and the table and relation between the cat and the table. So, such words are called the prepositions. So, a preposition is generally followed by a noun or a pronoun. Here, the preposition is followed by the table, and in the next sentence also, the preposition is followed by the table, that is the noun. So students, what is preposition? The prepositions are the words that indicate location or relation to an object. Prepositions are found before a noun or pronoun. So let's read these examples. The puppy is on the floor. The next sentence, the puppy is in the trash can. Sentence number 3, the puppy is beside the phone. So here, on, in and beside, these are the words which are telling the relation between an object and the noun. So these words are known as the preposition. Okay? So students, I hope with the help of the previous examples, you understood what is preposition. So let's revise it. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship of a noun or a pronoun with another word in a sentence. Okay? The following are some of the most common relations expressed by the prepositions. The first one, place. Number 2, time. Number 3, purpose or reason. Number 4, possession. Number 5, agency or instrumentality. Here are the common relations expressed by prepositions. They are time, place, direction or movement, means or instrument, manner, quantity, state or condition, purpose or idiomatic use. So these are the common relations expressed by the preposition. Now, my dear students, let's begin the common relations expressed by prepositions one by one. So let's begin. The first relation expressed by preposition is the place. Let's read these sentences. Sentence number 1, the dog ran across the street. Sentence number 2, she sat beside me. 3, the manager is in the office. Sentence number 4, Agra is on the Yamuna. Now students, here across, beside, in, on, all these are the prepositions. And these prepositions are expressing the place. That means Agra is, where is Agra? There the Agra and the Yamuna. So here on is showing the relation of place between Agra and Yamuna. That means Agra is on the Yamuna. Okay. Here the manager is in the office. So here the manager is the noun and the office is the object. So here in is the object of the preposition, okay, which is showing the place. Sentence number 5. The patient is at death's door. Sentence number 6. A battalion marched through the city. Sentence number 7. I leaned against a wall. Sentence number 8. The boys were playing in the park. Now students, here at, through, against, in, all these are the prepositions. And these prepositions are showing the relation of place between the noun and the other words of the sentences. That means here the boys were playing in the park. The boys were playing. The boys here is the noun and they were playing in the park. That means in the park. So they are showing the relation of place between the noun and the object. That means the other words of the sentences. Okay. The next relation is time. Here in these sentences, I rise with the sun every day. Sentence number 2. I have not eaten since morning. Sentence number 3. I am going away for a few days. Sentence number 4. We waited for him until his arrival. Sentence number 5. It is 20 minutes to 10. So here, sentence number 6. You should receive a reply within 10 days. 7. They came on Sunday. 8. Can you finish the work by 6 o'clock? So students, here to, within, on and by. All these are the prepositions which are expressing the relation of time. To 10, within 10 days, on Sunday, by 6 o'clock. That means all these prepositions are showing they are expressing the time, relation of time. Okay. Third relation expressed by preposition is purpose or reason. So let's understand this. Let's read these sentences to understand the third relation expressed by preposition, that is purpose, reason. Sentence number 1. I took medicine for cough. So what was the reason for taking the medicine? That was cough. The patient was shivering with fever. So what was the reason of shivering? That was fever. The sick man died of cancer. The death was because of cancer. That means the reason for death is the cancer. The passengers lost their luggage through negligence. That means because of their negligence, the reason was negligence, which caused the loss of their luggage. She felt sick from tiredness. So here the reason or the purpose of her sickness is the tiredness. So students, here for, with, of, through, from, all these words are the prepositions which are expressing the relation. That means they are expressing the purpose or the reason. They are showing the relation of purpose or reason between the noun and the other words of the sentences. Okay. The fourth relation expressed by preposition is possession. That means belongingness. Belonging of something by somebody. Sentence number 1. The girl with blue eyes is my niece. Now students, here the girl with blue eyes. Here the blue eyes belong to the girl. Okay. He is a friend of mine. Friend of mine here, that means the friend is belong to me. Sentence number 3. There was no debt on that person. That means here the debt is not belonging of that person. So students, here with, of, on, all these are showing the possession, the expression, the relation expressed by prepositions. Here is the possession. Okay. Sentence number 5. It is 20 minutes to 10. So here, sentence number 6. You should receive a reply. Let's read the following sentences to understand agency or instrumentality preposition. The first sentence, I sent the letter by post. So here the instrument or the agency is the post. Okay. The shopkeepers sold their goods at auction. So here the agency or the instrument is the auction. Cut these vegetables with a knife. So here a knife is the instrument. I heard about this incident through my neighbor. So here my neighbors are the instrument or agent. So here by, at, with, through, all these are the agents or instrument. Relation expressed by the preposition are the agency or the instrumentality. Thank you my dear students for watching the video. Have a nice day.